Hey everybody, how's it going? Gonzo here, and I'm really excited about today because I've always wanted to do an unboxing video. So this will be my first one. I have done other product reviews in the past for some products I believe in and that I like and trust. And this one, even though it's boxed now, I have used it before. I was basically about a month ago, maybe I was at the Richmond TNC lot there, and I needed a quick vacuum. And I asked a fellow driver, buddy of mine over there, if I could use his. He had a real cool one, and I've always steered clear in the past of ones that are that have cords. You know, I always went for the rechargeable, and this one was corded, and it plugs right into it, where the cigarette lighter. And I was like, okay, I was a little skeptical, but I tried it out, and it was pretty awesome. So, without further ado, let's get right into this. Here we have it. All right, still in the shrink wrap here. So there we go. It is the Thisworx for the car. Okay, so Thisworx TWC01, and very cool. When I used it, it was actually really powerful. I was a little worried at first that that it didn't have a spinning brush attachment like an old one I had, but it really didn't need it. It was actually much better than the old one. So let's get this open. And let's see, first thing we got here is a flexible hose nozzle here, and all right, a little brush, which is good for any type of hair, if there's pet hair or anything like that. HEPA filter, and looks like a little cleaning brush there, probably to get those hard to reach places in your vehicle. Ah, here we go. Okay. All right, little nozzle attachment there, and looks like some. There we go, some of the brand on it. All right, you could probably I think that's an air freshener actually. And looks like a little mini instruction booklet, and then of course the carrying case. All right, so you have that. Okay, let's get this plastic off here. All right, so here's a good look at it. It's got this ergonomic design. Was pretty neat. I mean, it has the extra HEPA filter here, but the technology in here is that turbine type that's similar to like the Dyson. So this is only 30 bucks on Amazon, and they have almost 2,000 reviews on there. It's almost 4.5 stars. And it's their #1 bestseller. And for 30 bucks, it's really, really good. I got this for free though. Reason I got it for free, they didn't offer it to me or anything like that. It was just I redeemed some points from a gas app. So if you want to know how I got this for free by redeeming some points by saving gas, you need to watch my other video about the Get Upside app. So, but for now, here it is. Let's take it apart. All right, so real easy to clean. You just should just pop right out there. Yep. All right, has a good seal on it. So there's the filter, because you'll pop that out, you'll empty this. You can probably there you go, and you clean that off. A little brush to clean that off with. Okay, and then you just pop it right back in there, like so. Piece of cake. Snaps right back on. And then you're probably wondering, well, if I'm plugging it in, how much cord do I have? It's 16 feet, okay? So I don't care if you're driving a stretch limo, this thing's gonna fit. It's gonna reach wherever I need to get it. And it worked really great. I would assume in most cases, depending on what kind of power source you have in your car, you might have to leave your car running, no big deal. If not, you can just plug it in, it'll run directly off the battery there. right, but there you have it. And like I said, you know, I've already used it before. I know it works really, really great. And hope you like this video. So go ahead and you know, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell to remind you when I have new videos. And thanks for joining me today.